It is a data entry job that you can simply do it from home. Whether that is data entry job or typing job, if you are looking for that, so it is the right place for you to just join. So you can make from $500 to $800 per month easily with data entry or typing jobs actually that you can simply work from home and nothing is required from you. No skills, no money, no investment, and nothing is required from you. Just you can work as a part-time job or full-time job. No scheduling is required. It is just for you to just make a schedule for yourself and start making money online right away in this video. So that is a brilliant video that you can simply make a huge amount of money from that, and everybody can do that. If this job is for everyone that they can do, no special requirement is there. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. I'm going to share with you step by step that you can learn and then you can implement and start making money from your home. So the first and important thing is that you just need to go to the truelancer.com. Actually, if you cannot find it, actually you can simply go to the Google and just type truelancer.com. You can see here that is the name Truelancer. So you can simply add truelancer.com and you will be visited this page right away here. So in this page, it is basically a freelancing website that you can simply make money online with that, and you can do any type of task actually on this website. At the back side, you can earn some extra cash from that. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you the specific niche that is data entry and typing jobs that you can simply do with this website for absolutely free. No requirement is there. Actually, you can simply even download the apps, whether that is Google Play or App Store. You can simply download it to your smartphone and then you can start promoting. So what you need to do, the first and important thing is that you just need to sign up right away here on the top corner. You can see here the option sign up here. Okay, you can click on that. So once you click on the sign up button, then you will redirect to this page right here that you can simply add your first name, last name, work email, and then password and confirm password, and then click on the create account. So once you have created account, it is most important that you just need to go to your profile section right away here under your name, my profile. Okay, right here. So once you go to the my profile, then you can add an image actually that will be your profile picture, and you can add your full name, and then you can select hourly rate, but that how much you need to cost people per hour. Okay, so that is USD. You can simply type, for example, $10, $5, $15, something like that, and then you can add a data entry expert, for example, your profession, whether you are data entry expert or you are typing expert or something like that, you can simply add. And then availability, full-time, part-time, you can simply add. So I recommend to just add a full-time, because that whenever you are available, you can do that task actually. And select your gender, and then you can select experience, beginner, intermediate, advanced, or something like that. And you can also use, most importantly, the keywords right here as such as data entry, typing jobs, and others. So once you complete it with that, then you can simply go to the main website truelancer.com, and you can see here the contest. So post a contest, browse contest, my contest. You can simply click on the browse contest, and then you will be visited this page right here. You see here, this person just made a contest right here, and he said, I need a receipt of 44 takeaway lunch concept with the pictures, if possible, with a video link on how to. So these are the contests. Most of the people are just joining the contest, and this contest is for $100. So you can also join. If you win, you will get $100. So that is a great amount of money for you that you can get. But the lucky part is that we just need to go right here to find jobs and then click on browse jobs. So once you click on the browse jobs, then you will be visited to this page right away here that people need anything online right here. For example, this person is looking, I'm looking for Android developer, which is paying $40, and only two proposals are there. So you can simply click here to view and then apply for that. So then if you are the developer, Android developer, and this guy need, I need a traffic and views on my two affiliate links. Okay, so that is paying $7 only. So per hour, $1, $3, $100. You can see here. So those are unlimited jobs that you cannot finish, and you will have again and again all the jobs. So the coolest part is here, right here, that you can simply choose the main category that you are expert in that, and you are working on that, such as data entry, admin, typing, and others. And then you can browse those projects right here, and you can simply apply into that, and you can make a huge amount of money from that. So that is a non-stop jobs. It means that will be every time available. When you just get on online with your internet connection, you can simply apply into that. So in one day you can apply up to 10 and 15 jobs. So might be you get five. So if you just get five each day, so you will have a decent amount of money, such as $800 per month or extra, that you can easily do it from your home. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moment.